Do you think this ICI was done just to appease at the time public outrage?
Oh, 100% yes, no? It was done just to show na parang may ginagawa yung administration against the flood control scam or the flood control corruption, no? Kasi mainit na mainit yan noon, 'di ba? A couple of months ago. Pero it was pretty obvious then eh. Doon pa lang sa executive order, alam na natin na it was a farce, no? And sumakay lang tayo doon sa farce na yon because interesting, 'di ba? May mga intriga, may mga drama na merong nag-attend pa ng hearing, yung anak ng pangulo, yung pinsan ng pangulo, but I mean, all of us knew that it was a farce. And now we're here, it's been proven to be a farce, no? Kasi at the end of the process, ang ombudsman pa rin pala, which is really the case in the first place, who will make the final determination.